Hello everybody. Ayan guys, naglalakad kami from doon sa terminal na yon guys. Pinababa na kami papunta rito sa downtown kasi daw may train traffic. Ayo nga, ayan o, nagsasalubong na sila o. Sasalubong na yung mga train. I think man nagkaroon ng problema yata. At least makakalakad tayo guys, makakapag-vlog. Ayan, tamang-tama. Kasi kung nakikita nyo guys, sinusundan namin tong railroad pamuntang all the downtown na to. Ganda ng dahon guys, puro dilaw. Kasi nagdidilaw na kasi nga it's fall season na. Ganda ng downtown guys oh. Dito tayo sa kabilang side para makita natin yung lugar. I think 3 station tayo guys bago tayo makapunta dun sa trabaho. Lakarin na lang natin. Maganda naman yung ano, malamig naman. Ganda rito guys eh. Daming halaman oh. Oh wow, ganda. Operation lakad kami guys. It's kind of chilly now. Ay dito. Sarap din naman maglakad guys. Hindi naman mainit. Daming halaman dito. Sorry about that. Sobrang ganda rin guys. So 80th Street pa lang to. Isang street pa tayo guys. It's so nice, buhay pa itong mga halaman. See? It's nice. First time kong dumaan dito sa kabilang side, always dun sa right side, hindi dito sa left side. Mas maganda pa pala view dito kasi ang daming halaman. See? Sobrang ganda ng downtown guys, malinis, maliwalas ang paligid, daming halaman. At ang train station nila dito guys, ganyan lang. So pwede kang sumakay anytime kahit wala kang ticket kasi wala naman nag-check sa loob. Unlike sa Pilipinas, kailangan mong bumili ng card and then meron kang maliit na entrance na may stainless na umiikot. Insert mo dun yung card mo para makapasok ka dun sa train station. Dito guys, anyone can ride kahit wala kang ticket. See? Oh, ito na isa kasalubong niya guys. Oh. Oh, maganda rin pala maglakad-lakad guys. Ganda rito guys, see? Ito train station guys, napunta doon. Ayan, may train na naman. Nung kalalabas lang niya, may train na naman. OMG. Oh, di ba? Alauna pa lang, alas 2 yung pasok natin. So, tama-tama lang yung lakad natin. Hindi tayo malilate. It's already stopped guys. Ayaw na nating habulin, baka mamaya eh. So ayan guys. So antay lang tayo dito guys. Hi, sir.
Is that one of the stabilizing ones?
Oh, that's
the
right.
Gyroscope?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's cool.
Thank you so much. Tama yung mga police guys. Yeah, have a good one. Sabi niya, ito daw ba yung stabilizer na hawak ko? Sabi ko, oh yeah. Alam na alam nila pag nagpa-vlog ka kasi nga itong hawak kong stabilizers guys. Kitang-kita nila. They knows na nagpa-vlog ako, nag-stream ako. Kasi nga, napaka-visible tong ano ko guys, gamit yung stabilizer. DJI Osmo. And this is not paid advertisement guys. And DJI Osmo, napakaganda nga ng stabilizer. Nami-maintain niya, na-stabilize niya yung video mo while you're walking and running. So, ang ganda rito guys. It's kind of big. Nag-iiba na yung mga kulay ng dahon. At the same time, nasa train station tayo. This is 7th Street. One more street guys. One more station. Ang ganda rito guys. Tama-tama lang pala yung nilakad natin na huminto yung train doon sa West Kirby. Nakapag-vlog tayo ng di oras. This is 7th Street. Alright. May malaking facades dito na painting. I don't know what is that. Ay parang baby sa kananay. See, ayun. Ganda. Doon tayo sumayaw ng ano guys. Isang video natin doon sa may monument na yun. Oh, let's go, let's go. May train na naman. Ayan, sige. Ang linis, wala kang makitang basura dito sa train. Railroad. Kahit man lang isang papel o plastic, wala ko nakikitaan. It's nice to be here in downtown. It's kind of awesome at the same time. You can see all the places na napakaganda. Alright, see? Ito lang, may tubig dito. I think hindi yata siya pababa kasi siya guys. Umulan kasi siya nung kagabi. Ayan, so oh, habol si kuya. Mukhang malilate na si kuya sa trabaho. Alright, nandito na tayo guys sa 6th Street. Chilly-chilly na. Masarap maglakad. I think bukas siguro papasok tayo ng maaga para makapag-vlog tayo ng mas maganda doon sa ano, Princess Islands. Dito ako bumababa guys pag galing ako sa bahay dyan sa station na to. So since nandito na tayo, diretso tayo doon hanggang doon sa trabaho. Ganda rito. Oh, kailangan tayo lumiko doon. May time pa tayo. Saka balik na lang tayo, guys. Still stop. Still running. Go. Ganda ng ano, guys, oh. Calgary Court of Appeals. Ganda. Tabi lang yun ng train station, guys. Kung saan dyan ako sumasakay papuntang bahay, pauwi. Train station na yan. Calgary Court of Appeal. Ayan ang Court of Appeal, guys. Calgary Court of Appeal. Parang may something celebration doon. Puntahan natin. Oo, ganda rito, guys. See? Yung mga di pa nakakapunta ng Calgary na taga Canada, guys. Ayan, I will show you a little bit portions of Calgary downtown. So ito na yon. Pero doon yung pinaka-sentro niya. Hindi natin mapupuntahan kasi may pasok pa tayo, guys. Oh, may nagko-concert dito. Oh, wow. Nagko-concert dito. Ganda rito, guys.
Holy moly macaroni. Give it up for Natty Downs one more time, everyone. And her terrific band. Oh my gosh, you guys. Fantastic. What a way to end this lunch hour. Guess what? The music's not over yet. We will be back this afternoon at 3:30. And we'll have 3 more fantastic acts for you, including Layla June, which is a 3-part female vocal harmony group with a guitar player, plus Mason Jenkins, and followed by Adequate Funk that are currently driving all the way up from Lethbridge to rock this afternoon and send you on your merry way home. But guess what? That's not it. We also have entertainment on Wednesday and Thursday, all thanks to TD Bank and the Calgary Downtown Association. So thank you so much for being here, and hopefully this is not the last time we'll see you, and we'll see you very soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe this afternoon, maybe Thursday. Please tell your friends. We want to fill this whole space up. We'll see you soon.